Welcome viewers, in this video we'll see the string handling function available in the C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic string handling function in the C programming language. First we'll see what are the string handling functions are available. First one, strlen, that is string length, used to find the length of the string. So this function, if you specify the which string you want to find the length, if you specify here, it will give the string length, how many characters are available. strlen will give the string length. strcat, that is string concatenate, we can give two strings here. The two strings will be concatenated. Concatenated means added together, used to concatenate two strings. For example, welcome today. If you give two strings, it will combine both the string. Welcome today, right? String concatenate will concatenate the two strings, two or more strings given within the bracket. strcmp, string comparison. It will compare the two strings specified in the bracket, used to compare two strings. So it's case sensitive. It will identify small letter and capital letter also. It's a case sensitive, right? strcmpi, same thing, string comparison, but this is not a case sensitive. For example, small a and capital A can be treated as the same, but here different. It's a case sensitive. It will check the case also, small letter or capital letter, right? strcmp, string comparison with case sensitive. strcmpi, string comparison without case sensitive, right? strcpy, string copy, used to copy one string to another, right? Here we can specify two string. For example, string 1, string 2. The content of string 2 will be stored in string 1. The already available content in string will be overwritten, right? So the content of second string will be copied in first string. Already available content in string 1 will be overwritten. But here string concatenate is not like that. Both the strings are added together, not overwritten. Or for example, string 1, string 2 mean both are added together. String copy mean content of the second string will be stored in first string. That is the difference between string concatenate and string copy. I will see some more string handling function available. strlwr, that is string lowercase. The string specified here will be converted into lowercase. This function converts all the characters in the given string from uppercase to lowercase letter, right? It will convert everything into lowercase. strrev, the string reverse, used to reverse the characters in the given string. Welcome means it will completely reverse the characters, right? strrev, string reverse. strupr, string uppercase. So this one lowercase, no? Similarly here uppercase. This function convert all the characters in the given string from lowercase to uppercase letter, right? So it will convert from lowercase to uppercase. Whatever may be, final answer will be uppercase. So these are all the string handling functions available. First one is string length. It will give the length of the string. String concatenate, adding two strings. String copy, one string is copied to another string. Then string comparison, with case sensitive, without case sensitive. Then string lowercase, uppercase. Then string reverse. These are all the functions. Now we'll see one program, example program, so that we are able to understand clearly. Program to perform string handling functions. Program to perform string handling functions. First we'll include the header file. Has include stdio.h, standard input output dot header file. It is used for printf and scanf. Has include conio.h, console input output dot header file. It is used for getch and clear screen. For that we are including. Then start the main program. Void main, open the brace. We'll declare the variable. First step is declaring the variable, integer n. So in order to store the length of the string, we are declaring one variable, string integer n. Then character, we are going to declare 4 strings to perform various string handling function. We are declare 4 strings with 30 characters, str1 30, str2 30, str3 30, str4 50. So first 2 30 characters, third and fourth 50 characters. That is our choice. This 50 and 30 is the maximum character. We can use less than 30 also, right? So the 30 memory space will be allotted, but we can use within 30. Then clear screen. Then we ask the user to enter the first and second string. Printf, enter first string. Scan of percentages str1. The user entered the first string is stored in str1. Then we'll go to the second string. Printf, enter second string. Gets, the string can be, this scanf is the one type of function to read the character from the user. The gets also used to read the character, string character from the user. Gets is very similar to scanf. str2, right? String 1 is scanned by scanf function. String 2 is scanned by gets function. Now we'll use the first string handling function, strlen, string length, bracket str1. So it will return the how many letters available, characters available in string 1. That will be stored in n. We already declare n is the integer type, right? So the number of characters will be identified by this string handling function, string length, that will be stored in the integer n. Now we'll go to the next handling function. Then immediately we are printing length of the character. Printf, length of first string is %d(n). This %d refers the integer type, right? So we identify the string length of str1 using strlen function. That answer available in that is printed. So we got the answer length of the first string. Now we'll go to the second function, strcat, string concatenate. str1, str2. So it will concatenate the string 1 and string 2. Both are added together. The answer will be stored in string 3. We already declared 4 strings, right? So string 1 and string 2 are added together. That will be stored in string 3. Printf, concatenation of string is str3. So immediately we printed the concatenated string. For welcome today, str1 contain welcome, str2 contain today, means both are added. Welcome today, that is stored in str3, that is printed. Concatenation of string is welcome today, right? Now we'll go to the next one, strcmp, string comparison. String comparison with case sensitive, right? It will check the case also. str1, str2, double equal to 1. What is the meaning? If both the strings are equal, it will return 1. Otherwise, it will return 0. Right? So, we are checking that is equal to 1. What is the meaning? If it is 1 means printf 2 strings are equal. Else, 2 strings are not equal. Right? The return of the function is both are equal means it will return 1. Otherwise, 0. So, we are checking whether we are getting 1. 1 means equal. Else, or not equal. This is case sensitive. Now we'll go without case sensitive. strcmpi. One more character, one more string handling function is available. So here also we are checking 1. 2 strings are equal, otherwise 2 strings are not equal. So the difference between previous one is case sensitive, CMPI is not case sensitive. Right. Now we'll go to the next string handling function, strcpy, str4, str1. What happened here? The content of string 1 will be copied to content string 4. Right? It is not concatenate. It is copied. String 4 will be copied in string 1 will be copied in string 4. Right? strcat means both are added together, concatenated. But here only copied. Immediately we are printing the fourth string. Print of string 4 is string 4. String 4 is nothing but content of string 1. Right. Now we'll go to the remaining string handling functions. Lowercase, print of lowercase string is %s strlwr, str1. What happened? the string 1 is converted into lowercase and is printed. Sometimes it may contain uppercase or lowercase, whatever may be, the final answer will be lowercase. Similarly, uppercase string is percentages str upr, it will convert into uppercase. String 1 is converted into uppercase, right? Reverse string is strrev string 1. So the content of string 1 will be reversed and it is printed, right? This is a lowercase, uppercase and reverse. After get cgh, we can close the program. So in this video we discuss what are all the string handling functions available, and with the example program we analyze all the string handling function with the example program. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.